Let me tell you something I hate doing. Putting up open house signs, like over and over and over again. Put a sign, take a sign. By the time, especially in the summer, by the time I get done putting up open house signs, I am a sweaty mess. Well, the reason I do it is one reason and one reason only. It works. I can't believe how many people list their house with me and then say, oh, my last agent said open houses don't work. Or you only do open houses the first weekend and then you don't do anymore. Or why would you do that? That's old-fashioned. People just look online. Is not true. I have sold so many houses at open houses, and the reason I know it works is because guess who does more open houses than anybody else in the world? New builds. New builds have open houses 7 days a week because they know that if people walk the house, they'll fall in love and they'll make it happen. That's why I do open houses. And we have some secrets to our open houses. We don't just do an average open house. We mail out postcards, we invite the neighbors, we have parties while we do it, we put up open house signs, like 50 of them. Did I mention I hate putting up open house signs? But I do it because it works and it drives traffic to your house. And guess what? I can't sell your house if we don't have the traffic. Well, there's the scoop. Edna Wilson, your hometown realtor, as hometown as apple pie.